welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of 7 days weight loss meal plan series. I'll be sharing with you what I eat throughout the day. I'll share some tips and tricks of how you can make healthier choices, and also you will see my portion control. If you've not seen my day 1 video, then go ahead and check out. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. Similarly, for the next 5 days, I'll be uploading video every day with my meal plans. So you make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So again, I'll start my day with detox water. But before that, let me give you a tip. If you can't go ahead and drink this type of detox water that I'm going to share now, you can do Zira water, which is also called cumin seeds water. All you have to do is boil some cumin seeds and then drink it throughout the day. All you have to do is boil 2 tablespoons of Zira seeds, the cumin seeds, into 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Boil them properly. It will leave its color and it will be infused very nicely. So you can drink that throughout the day for about 7 days and see if you like that one instead of this detox water. Another thing is Zira water is really beneficial for flushing out your toxin. Guys, there's no magic. If you want to lose weight, look, I'm not gonna say that I am at my goal weight, but it's still a journey. We always have to make healthier choices. It's not something like it will happen in a day or a week. You have to be consistent. You have to make healthier choices for each and every meal and snacks, even dessert. So you have to choose which one is healthy, which one is not. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, here is my detox drink that I'm going to have throughout the day. This is 2 liters of jug that I've made, and it will be finished by end of the day. Again, I'm going to warm it up a little bit before drinking. So early morning, I don't like to have cold water, so I'm going to warm it. It's safe to do so. You can do hot and sip it like a tea, but I'm going to just warm it up slightly and gulp it down. Then my breakfast is tea. I'm going to make a lactose-free vegan herbal tea. For this, I'm going to add some cardamom, some cloves, carom and fennel seeds. Let it boil for about few minutes and then add almond milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. You can use soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, or even normal whole milk. But if you're using whole milk, the calories will be really high, so reduce the amount of milk you're going to use in tea and add more water. Or another option is you can use skimmed milk. The reason I use non-dairy milk is because dairy milk gives me acid reflux and I normally get headaches with it. So therefore I use plant-based milk. I won't be having full breakfast today because my dinner is slightly heavier than usual. It's not veggies, it's going to be noodles. So I'm going to keep my breakfast and lunch light. Also, I have a meeting to go to, so I'm just running late. I don't have time to make breakfast. So that's why I had tea with 2 pieces of biscuits. For lunch, I'm going to make cauliflower and potatoes steamed. This is a very healthy option. It doesn't require no oil, no spices, just a little bit of water and vegetable cube. You can use chicken stock as well. So I'm going to use vegetable stock, boil it slightly and add chopped up broccoli, cauliflower and baby potatoes and let them steam and get softened. It takes about 15 minutes and they're ready and very healthy, very filling too. After 15 minutes, they look like this, and I'm going to season them with chopped onions, some chili sauce, some lemon juice. You can also add some garlic powder and black pepper powder too. This is one of my favorite meal because it takes no time for prepping. It cooks in few minutes and it's delicious and it's filling. I'm going to have my lunch and do some of my work, and then I'll see you later. Okay guys, while working I was again hungry, so I thought I'll have some melon. And it's my tea time. I normally have my tea around 6 p.m. ish, and I paired with some healthy snack, which is some nuts. Guys, I used to have a lot of sweet tooth. I used to eat candies, chocolates in the past, but I've gone completely off from chocolates and candies and crisps. so I always opt for something healthier. I think about it, if something healthy option is available instead of candies, what it would be. Even though nuts are higher in calories, but they are good for health, they will keep me fuller for longer. After my tea time snack, I make my dinner, which is noodles. I normally use rice noodles because they are lower in calorie instead of the normal wheat one. But this time I ran out of it, so I'm going to use the normal wheat ones. Because I'm going to have normal noodles instead of rice noodle, I'm going to skip the oil. First of all, I add all the veggies, which is cabbage, some bell peppers, chopped up, sliced, and you can even add onions. For protein, I'm going to add corn pieces. This is meat-free pieces. And for sauces, I'm going to use soy sauce, green chili sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and some tomato ketchup. The noodles I'm using is from Amoy's medium noodles. They normally have a little bit oil in them because they are the fresh ones. I would prefer you use the rice noodles that are dried so they don't contain oil. Instead, you can use oil while cooking the veggies. For spices, I'm going to use monosodium glutamate, which is MSG, for flavoring, some salt, some black pepper. Toss everything in a wok and they are ready in no time. Now it's time for a tip. To make your meal healthy, add more veggies compared to the noodles. So as you can see, I've got lots and lots of veggies and less noodles. So the small plate is mine and the bigger plate is for my husband. And if you think this meal or this portion size is too small for you, then add a bowl of salad with it. This way you're not going to overindulge in non-healthy food, like noodles are lots of carbs. So instead you're going to be having a lot of veggies. And then I finished my day with my herbal tea, and that's all for today. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will be doing day 3 video tomorrow. Do come back and check out my day 3 meal, what I eat in whole day, and I'll give you lots of more tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.